For many guitarists, bar chords or barres are the first major obstacle that we come across. We give it a go, but some of the strings are buzzing, our wrist hurts, we can't reach the other notes. The whole thing is just a disaster and it seems impossible to play them cleanly. This is especially difficult with the classical guitar because often we're not just playing the chord on its own, but we're also playing some other melodic material at the same time. Therefore, it's even more important that we find a comfortable and relaxing way to play barres, all whilst getting this clean sound from all the strings. The trouble comes from thinking that it's a matter of strength. What happens then is that when it doesn't work out, we press harder and harder, and that just leads to even more problems, and we get tension and we often get pain or an injury. It's easy to think this, and it does make sense, maybe you've been told this before, but it's actually much better to think about accuracy first. Let's take a simple G major chord in the 3rd position. What many people will tell you is to start with your first finger, keep it straight, apply some strength. Let's not do this. Instead, let's try doing the opposite. Let's start with the 2nd, 3rd and 4th fingers. Make sure they're accurately placed behind the frets using the tip of the fingers, and make sure you have a nice curl to the fingers as well. We don't want to see anything like this. Check to see that you're still reasonably relaxed, and now you can place the barre with the 1st finger. Again, we want accuracy first, so keep the finger straight and make sure that it's placed close to the fret. Have a go playing all the strings, but we want to try and get this muted sound. We don't want to hear any of the notes. This means that we're applying no pressure at all. There shouldn't be any strength. Instead, we just want to think about the accurate finger placements. Once this is all together and we're relaxed, we can start to apply some pressure very slowly, just until we can start to hear the notes. If it isn't sounding so clear, check all your finger placements, think about this accuracy, and again apply some pressure afterwards until you get the notes ringing out. Remember, once we've got this clean sound, any further strength or pressure is wasted. It doesn't make it sound any better, it just leads to further tension and possibly injury. If you'd like to have a go with a piece, you might want to try Tarrager's Study in E minor. It has a barre here, and it also has a simple melodic line on the 1st string. This will be a really good test of how you're able to stay relaxed and also your accurate finger placements.